These 10 days of Zul Hajj are extremely important days. They start from the 1st of Zul Hajjah and go all the way up to the 10th of Zul Hajjah. And in these 10 days, in fact, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken a pledge, He has taken an oath in Quran on the importance of these 10 days. The ayat of Surah Fajr that I recited, wal Fajr wal layalin ash, the ulama, the mufassirin of Quran have said that actually the 10 days that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taking an oath upon are these 10 days of Zul Hajj. It's not the walayalin ash are basically the nights that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the 10 nights Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taking a pledge on the 10 nights. We in English say it 10 days, but it's actually literal translation is 10 nights. Why is the pledge taken on nights and why do we say it in English as 10 days is because in an Islamic calendar the day starts from sunset. So the day would start from a sunset. When it would be the 1st of Zul Hajjah, it would be on the sunset of the 29th or 30th of Zul Qa'dah. So that's when the 1st of Zul Hajjah would start. And then that would remain all the way up to the Maghrib of the next day. So that's how the Islamic day starts. They start from the night and they go all the way up to the sunset. And the day is basically a follower of the night.